Good evening, traders. This is Brian with TraderShark.com, an educational website to learn how to trade the S&P Emini futures. Today is Monday, August 1st, 2011. The following are examples of trade setups that occur on a regular basis. We are showing 3 valid trade setups for a potential loss of 8 ES ticks. The market opened up here at 1303.25. That's represented by the white dotted line. This is a no trade zone, a period that we don't usually trade, primarily waiting for the bulls or the bears to take charge. And then after that, at around 9:45, we did not have any opportunity to get short. We anticipated, with the passing of the legislation, that a lot of people would be getting long, and that we would first see a short sell-off in order to take the stops. That's exactly what happened. Didn't expect it to sell off quite this heavy. It came down and it found support at the Globex range low, broke through it, continued to the downside. We didn't have any opportunities to get set up. I want you to notice one thing. The trades set up in yellow are trades that we took within the trade room that are not according to the actual trade plan that we have out in the trading manual. The results of the white trades are the results according to the trading manual. Now, so it's not to be confusing. Some days, most trades don't work. You just have to accept it as part of trading as a business. That today we had a pretty rough day in the fact that our trades in the room, as well as our trades according to our trade plan, had quite a shakeout going on. And with the shakeout, we knew, and this is pretty common, we know that when the market sells off this heavy, that generally go into consolidation sideways mode. So we began to look for some basic patterns. Here you can see a basic head and shoulders pattern. Here's a shoulder. Here's a head. Here's another shoulder. Kind of a morphed head and shoulders pattern to the upside. We took it long. We hit our first target, and we did not see any follow through to get to our second target. We got a -2 ticks. We then had what's called a hook pattern set up. We had a hook pattern set up to the downside, had an opportunity to get short, got off on our target 1, only to get stopped out, -16 ticks. Then we had an opportunity to get long right here at about 10:48. We didn't even get our first target off. We took a -16 ticks, a full stop out on that particular trade. We then had another opportunity to get long just prior to going into the no trade zone. We had an opportunity to get long. We hit our first target, and then we got stopped out for a -2 ticks, a reduced risk stop out. This no trade zone is a period of lower volume, higher volatility, and it runs from about 11:30 until 1:15 Eastern Standard Time. Coming out of the no trade zone, we had an opportunity to get long. We hit our first target, and then we got stopped out for a -2 ticks. And then, I mean, again, this is all chop, all pure consolidation. Knew that it was coming, and so we were very cautious. And still, we got hammered on a couple of these trades. We went to try to get short, did not get filled. Would have been a nice clean T1 and T2, did not get filled. Waited for a pullback, opportunity for a second chance opportunity. Target 1 was hit, and then we got a reduced risk stop out -2 there. Coming off of the hourly range low, we had an opportunity to get long, and we hit our target 1 and target 2 for a total of 10 ES ticks. Now at this time, we also, shortly thereafter, we had a shark attack trade that set up, target 1 and target 2 for a total of 20 ES ticks. And so it was kind of a delayed response. We kept trying to get long, we kept getting stopped out. Even after the shark attack trade, there was a pullback, ran back up, ran into consolidation mode, and then we did not have an opportunity to take this trade, but it did actually set up, according to the textbook, a shorting opportunity right here into the close. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 11 ES ticks. All in all, the white trades, we had a total of 3 trades for a total of -8 ES ticks. To learn more about these and more advanced trade setups, or for a copy of the TraderShark Trading Manual, please visit TraderShark.com. Thank you and have a great evening.